all the way down the beach here. 1,000 steps. This is the real 1,000 steps right here. Alright, we're at a new resort on the beach in Cebu. This place is called JAYNET. It's got an okay view. Let me show you the view. Now I can do some laps. Workout time. That's what I'm gonna do. They're building bathrooms down here. Looks like everything's kind of new down here. Are we allowed to go swimming?
See, it would be nice if we have a resort like this, but right, Bob? Right, Bob?
Yeah. Real nice. Make it American, put Trump right on the front.
Red, white, and blue. Start over here.
Red, white, and blue. And then Trump in the pool. Show our support around the world.
Yeah.
Because Trump is your president. Sun is gone, no sunset tonight. I am getting more sicker, but this place is pretty cool. Now I'm gonna try some pizza here and see if it is good as they say it is. They say it's the best in the world. I've had the best in the world, so we'll see what it is. So, pizza review coming up next. Alright guys, here's the taste test of the best pizza in the world. Here we are. Alright. This is ham. They had no pepperoni. Here it is. You guys know the rules. There's absolutely no sauce on this. And here we go. No crisp. Very dry. This pizza is the worst I've ever had. I'll eat it because I'm so hungry. I'll eat anything right now. It's the worst. It's disgusting. It's so flavorless. It's gonna make you want to eat something else. So this is pizza review here in the Philippines. Score is probably 0.09. Yeah, 0.09. And just have to say good night.
Alright, Jeb is taking the challenge on racing me. Jeb, tell me when.
Yeah, I'll say yes.
Alright, playing Santa Fe, go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. No, you were cheating.
Winner or chicken
No,
dinner?
you were cheating.
How?
Yeah.
It's a lot of stairs.
Later, goats. Stuck on a mountain. That's gotta suck. But let's check out this cliff in a better angle.
put cheese pepperoni, they put onions and mushrooms on the pizza. So that's a minus point there. But I took it all off. Here's the ultimate taste review. Taste review, here we go. You guys know the rules. Cheese pepperoni around the world in the Philippines. Here we go. What?
Like the dough is really good.
This is really good. Really good. Minus a half hour of taking out the mushrooms and onions. Crispy. The bone. It was definitely an onion. Overall score.
8. I'll give it a
How we got compared to America? Probably a 5. 5. I mean, if the onions and mushrooms went in there, they would definitely get a 7. Good snack. I don't know what this place is called, but it's down the street.
break time.
What?
Break time.
Break time?
Break time.
Break time, that's what it's called. It's got a bunch of flags out front, but not the American flag. You can tell why. Because it's definitely not American pizza. Good pizza review, right?